Yo, yo, what up? So basically, I'm trying to be a game developer, trying to learn like all aspects of game development. So I want to do like mostly like 2D stuff. So I'm gonna implement some like tutorials on or me following some tutorials on pixel art and trying to improve on that. And then I'm also going to be following tutorials on how to use Unity and C Sharp. So a little bit on my background. Um, I have no prior experience to pixel art or animations or anything like that, or to Unity or game development. I'm fresh. The only experience I have with coding is I did graduate with a computer science degree in programming, but um, you know, I never really used it. My profession doesn't involve programming. Um, so if you don't use it, you lose it, kind of stuff. So I'm trying to relearn programming, specifically C Sharp for Unity. Um, but yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be following some tutorials on my other monitor, which you won't be able to see. On the only screen you'll be able to see is the Unity and then the scripts that pop up here. Um, and yeah, so but if you want to see what videos following in tutorials, I'll put it in the bio, and I'm also going to put in the bio just to give some credit, to give credit to the person that created the tutorial in the first place, right? Um, and yeah, so what I have here, I'm trying to make a tower defense, kind of like Bloons, like. So yeah, let's get into it. And if I go quiet, it just means I'm focusing. um, and the purpose of me uh, uploading these videos to YouTube and stuff like that is just uh, purely out of feedback. Just in case when I run into an issue I can't resolve, you guys just leave comments down below. Tell me a solution for the issue or something I can improve on or anything like that. Not necessarily towards like the YouTube side, but more so um, like the game development and pixel art. And when I do that, anything helps towards game development um, generally. And I wanna ultimately, I mean, I want to. My end game is to make a game like Super Mario Brothers, like a 2D platformer, to like Super Mario mixed with like Rayman, kind of. That's like my goal in the slash of like Conker's Bad Fur Day kind of humor for N64. If anybody ever played it, check it out. Yeah, and I just added some tunes in the background. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna start the tutorial now, and then from there, let's see if I run into any hiccups or anything like that. So basically, I created some already. Um, in the tutorial, they wanted me to create a plot and a sub plot here. Uh, so yeah, so it's plots and then plot, and then he made me create a sprite. And now he's just telling me to change the scale of the sprite. Then go do this. Seems a little small. I think I'm gonna do 8. And this first video is kind of like a test run to see, with the audio, if my microphone is loud enough or I'm speaking loud enough. And then if the music is, you know, sounding out my voice, you know. So yes, okay, so I did this part. He attached a box collider 2D to the sprite. Let's see. And now he's creating. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video. So he told me to create a folder. That's called art. And then in the art folder, create another folder called prefabs. And then in the prefabs, I'm gonna drag the plot in here. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna duplicate it. I see. Okay. I think duplicating is Control D. Duplicate. It doesn't need to be honestly perfect. Because this is just a sample of it, and then I think I can. Can I select all? I did 2. I wonder why I couldn't do 4. So 2 at a time, and then why can't I do the top though? That's weird. Maybe I can do this. Oh, okay, there you go. All right. Like that is good. And I'll make it a little bigger. Is it lined up with that? That a little bit. Okay. The space right here. And then I wonder why I can't copy this right here. Is it because of the camera? These? No. This? That's weird. Okay. So what I'm doing now is just Control D, copying it, and then I'm gonna. I guess this is like the space. Oh fuck, that's not what I want to do. Delete this one. And then from here I'll just copy all this. I think it's a little too far though, like that. Does that to be big? Oh, I see. Maybe I'm just not doing the squares big enough. Okay. Alright, I think that's good enough. We're just gonna do this, tidy it up a little bit, make it look better. Okay, I think that looks decent. Alright. So we're just gonna duplicate all this shit and then let's see what he does next. So I haven't watched any tutorials yet. This is my first tutorial. I might have to put more on the top because in the tutorial, yeah, in the tutorial he has a little more up top. So let me see if I can copy all this. Let's do this right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do like that. This one's kind of like off the grid a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna make the camera space bigger. 8 7. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And I think I can just modify it manually, right? Yeah. Something like that. And then I'll just do one more row here. Okay, that looks way better. Alright. Alright, so then now, in the tutorial, he's just deleting some of the plots to make a pathway for basically in Balloon CD world in terms, or you just so the balloons can have a pathway. So that's what I'm gonna do. How do you delete? What is the command for delete? Let me see. Is it control or just delete key? Okay. Alright. So I want him to start. I want them to start. Let's do here. And I want to leave at least like 2 plots there on the edges. I'm gonna make this go all around, I think. Yeah, why not? Let's do that. I'm gonna make it come all around, I think. And then they exit out of here. I think that's good. Because then it will. I feel like this right here is too many spaces here, though. I think that's fine. This is like a standard level 1, round 1 easy map. So yeah, it's gonna go like this, around, boom, 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 and then out this way. I don't like this though. I feel like there's too many spaces here. Alright, that's fine. If I'll change it if I don't like it later on. could also just start taking stuff out like that. It's fine. Alright, so now in this tutorial, now we're creating points. Alright. Alright, so pretty much this is done, so I just gotta rename this to path, I believe. There's a lot of plots right here. And then I think I create another object in here. Called points, or point. Okay. And then let's do this. Green for go. Oh, I see. Okay, so now basically what the tutorial is showing us, we're just gonna set points to each turn. All right, so go ahead and do that. So just Control D, Control D, down, Control D again. And we're just gonna do this all around the map each turn. So I think eventually I'm gonna wanna stream it and maybe have people come in and give me some pointers as well, because I feel like this would work better in a streaming kind of setting instead of watching the video and then give me feedback that way. But for now, I think I just want to upload. All depends on maybe I'll just throw in some streaming too. It depends. if honestly I want to stream or not. But I think I want this to be a different color. I think let's do this blue and then this red for stop. Red. Okay. So this looks a little. All right. So then it goes boom, 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 boom. Okay. All right. So we're just I'm just gonna watch the tutorial do it now. And if you guys want to let me know down in the comments if I should include the video that I'm watching as well, maybe, because I was thinking about that. Maybe I should just include the video that I'm watching as well. I have to figure out how to do that honestly on OBS, because that's what I'm using to show both my monitors. But this video is just like a more so a test run more than anything, I feel like. Alright, so we're renaming this one to, oh wait a minute. Okay, so this is, we're renaming the endpoint, and then this one to start point. Alright, path. Alright, so basically that was the end of the tutorial. So it basically covered the plots on how to set up the map, and then the pathway, and it taught me about a prefab as well. So yeah, I created a start and endpoint, so I'm gonna go to the second video now. And every video that I use, I'm just gonna put it in the description on what I learned and stuff like that, if you guys want to follow along and stuff. I think in this one there's about 10 videos, maybe 11 videos, 8 videos, something like that. I think it's 10. I don't know how I'm gonna do the videos. I don't know if I'm gonna do like 2 videos, 3 videos, or just whenever I feel like stopping, you know. I've been seeing a lot of other, like the video I'm watching now, he doesn't have he has the game scene like this with like that. I kind of like it like this more, to be honest, more comfortable for me, just so I can see both. A lot of the other videos I was watching, they do have it that way though, like they have just clicking it separate and in tabs. And I put the animation here because I feel like this doesn't really reach all the way over here from what I've seen so far. I'm pretty sure it does though, but yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna end this video. In the second video, it's building the enemy AI. So alright, let's see what he's doing. So he created a, let me rewind. Okay, so 2D object, sprite, and then circle. And we'll just bring this up here. And we'll probably change the color. Let's make this red because this is going to be an enemy. Like that's good, I think. Yep. Let's change the size. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. And we're gonna rename it to enemy. And then we're gonna add a 2D collider. And what I learned is when you know the collider's on because it has this green outline around it because it's like if I shut it off, boom. So that's a good little tip that I learned. And then and so we created something called a level manager in the hierarchy. All right, let's see. All right, and we're going to create a script for the level manager. All right, and the script is created. Oh. So basically, when it comes to coding, I'm trying to learn that. Like I'm trying to learn all three, like pixel art, learning Unity, and then learning coding as well. Just because I want to know how to do some decent. Like I'm not trying to be like an expert in pixel art, but like a decent amount. Like if I want to make a tree or like a decent like Goomba, right? I'll be able to like a main character or like the main enemy, like a Bowser for example. I would probably outsource, but like a Goomba or like a low tier enemy like a skeleton, I would want to do. All right, so let's so here, let's see what he did. So bear with me if my coding isn't, up there. I'm trying to learn as I go. And I think what I'm gonna do is, you guys can let me know in the comments. Oh wait, this was already created. One sec, public static. Oh, I see. Okay. I see what he did. So what I think I'm gonna do is I might use ChatGPT, not for coding per se, but to create comments for me on what each line of code does or it's doing, so I just get a better idea. I think I might do that. Public transform start, and it can help you guys out too if you guys are following along. And then like, see, for this, for example, I'm gonna have ChatGPT write comments for me. All right. So yeah, basically I added. So what I'm gonna do is when I write the codes. Wait, where is it? That looks like an error. I'm gonna put the code in from the tutorial in ChatGPT, so I can write out the comments for me just for a reference and, you know, get a better understanding of what it's doing. And if anybody else wants to follow along, they can with this. Alright, so we're saving it and we're going back to Unity. Whoa. What the hell is this? Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, so then level manager. I'm gonna put that up top. Right, okay. Oh, I see. So the start point goes there, and then the end point goes okay, I see. All right, so the path, so level manager, put the start point here, and then shift left click. Oh. We can lock that, right? Wait, is this it? No, that's main character. Or main camera. Lock. Click. And that goes here. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I see. Okay. So it's basically you can tell it's the correct one if it gets highlighted. If I click here, it gets highlighted on the left right there. Endpoint last. Okay. Yeah, the tutorial said it's important for that these two to, you know, be the start point, the end point there. And then he, wait, why did he do that? So he's moving the enemy to the prefabs. I see. All right, let's try that. Prefabs. Okay. I have to Google what the prefab is. In Unity. All right, so this is what pops up. Prefab acts as a template for which you can create. Oh, I see. Okay. So you don't need to keep copying. Like if I make a Goomba, for instance, and I already made it, I can just place it anywhere. Okay, I got it. Alright, so I'm gonna make another script, enemy movement. All right. Yeah, so I do have a question. So when the tutorial I'm watching, he doesn't have these. It's just deleted for some reason. Oh, I'm not sure if he set it that way. But private flow. Let's see. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I think, is watch what he does, and then see what he says about what he's doing, and then from there, I'll type out so I can get a better understanding. Because if I just type in and like not actually listen to what he's saying, I'm just not gonna understand what any of it means. Okay, I see. All right. And then this was, he has it set up this way, it just looks cleaner. Oh yeah, I did that already, what the fuck? Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, I see. Alright, where's the header? It's gonna be references though. Oh, this one is references. I got them confused. Okay. References. And then here is going to be the attributes. There you go. And private void. Manager.main.path. Okay, so this is all correct. Oh, it actually did that before the guy even typed. That's really cool. Whoa. What the fuck? Let's see if this is correct, actually. Target, that position. I already see an error. He didn't put that. Alright. Oh, well, I don't know if it's an error, but it's not the same as the tutorial. Alright. Where was I? Private void update. Yeah, okay. Vector 2. Distance. Target. Dot position. Index plus plus. Okay, and then here, private void. Oh yeah, shit. Vector 2, direction. Normalized. So he wants to copy private void start this. Wait a minute. Path index. Okay. When did he change? I thought it was 0 the whole time. Hold up. Oh no, it wasn't. Wow. How did I? Okay. So we're copying. What date? Right underneath this. Wait, he didn't. So he copied it and then it didn't. He deleted it. Oh, I see. Wait a minute. I see. Okay. Return. And I think he wants to do it here. Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna throw all this into ChatGPT to get a better understanding. That's just the way I do it. You don't need to do it that way. That's not part of the tutorial either. But I like to do it just to get a better understanding. All right, so basically we're gonna save this. Go back into Unity. Hopefully there's no errors. Oh, there is. I kind of figured there's gonna be error around here somewhere. I think maybe this doesn't belong there. Let me see. 42. Oh wait, 42. Let me go back to the video and see. I'm still trying to. Is this line 42 and then word 65? I want to say. What is it saying? Expected. Does it need a semicolon there? I mean a. Oh wait a minute, it's missing one right here. I think. Let me double check. Normalize. Where's that code? Yes, I found it. Okay, cool. All right. Save all. 3124. But it does have it. Does the else need it? I don't think though. No. Right, I'm gonna double check to see the code. Hey, he put, because I knew something was gonna be weird about this one right here. I did something wrong. Okay, so the bracket for this. Return count else. I see. There you go. Okay. So this needs to get deleted, I think. That. Alright, let's go back into Unity and see if it's fixed. No, it's not. Fuck. 48 and 1. No, I think that's or maybe actually. Nope. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I think I see. There it is. Okay. Saving this. My thing is, okay, so I'm running into an issue here where it says the modifier private is not valid for this item. It says 41, comma 5, right? So it's this. But the thing is, in this guy's code, in the tutorial, he has it the same exact way. So why? What is different? He literally has private void fix update. To direction. Yeah, so this part is same exact. He does have one extra bracket there though. So there's 3 errors here. So this is 40. Oh, okay. So 2 of them, 41.5. 47.1. Unless this has to be up here. Let's see. And delete that. And we'll put this in here. All right. So then what's supposed to happen? So there's no errors. All right. So we're adding the movement script to the enemy. And then we're adding the rigid body 2D. Okay. Enemy movement. So yep, here it is, and then non-rigid body. Rigid body 2D. Boom. And we're switching this to kinematic. And then we're dragging the rigid body into the RP. Okay. Wait, what? Why is there two? Okay. And then hopefully it runs. And he should. So I'm watching the tutorial now, and from what he did, everything, we went through all the points, and does it despawn at the end? No. Oh, it does. Okay. Okay, we're gonna keep this one open. Actually, a rigid body. I don't think we need anything with that. All right. Hopefully the game doesn't break. Did I save this? Save. All right. Boom. All right. So it goes 1 point, 2 point. Nice. All right. So far, it's working perfect. All right. Pretty dope. Pretty fucking dope. And boom. All right. Nice. That's cool. All right. So I think I'm gonna stop there, and then that was 2 videos. Let me see if anything else is in this video that we need to do. Oh wait, I think the video's not done yet for this one. Let's see. A minute. Oh wait. Okay. So before I go, I'm gonna take the code and where is it at? Okay. I'm gonna copy all of it, put it in chat GPT. So basically, I'm just gonna repost what chat GPT put it for the comments, and then this isn't for my personal use because I'm just gonna study it off camera. And yeah, I'm gonna just study on what each of these do, because it's good to see it in action. What all these lines of code do, like, you know, moving the enemy from point to different points, but I still need to understand what they do. So here it is. Gonna post it back in here, or if anybody wants to see it, this is it right here. And let's just save it. See if chat GPT didn't fuck anything up. Okay, perfect. And then yeah, so it's pretty much that's all for today. So that was basically 2 tutorial videos. The first tutorial was setting up the actual map, and then the second one was getting the enemy through different points. I'll post both tutorial videos in the description and the bio, and then if you have any, you know, tips, suggestions, anything I can any use for the coding part, for Unity part, and then later on I'm going to do a separate video, pixel art, me doing pixel art tutorials, or, you know, watching tutorials and me trying to do the tutorials. Just comment down below and let me know. Take care. Bye.